Welcome to Studio 22. My name's Clinton Walker. Now, our guest tonight, Felpeyu, are a Spanish folk group, but if you think that means they've got the sort of flamenco sound of the Gypsy Kings, you're going to have to think again. Felpeyu were first formed in the early 90s in a region called Asturias, which is the northwest corner of Spain, and that's why they sound the way they do. Asturias has always been kind of isolated from the rest of Spain. It has its own indigenous tradition, which is as much Celtic as anything else. Felpeyu have as much Spanish fire as you might reasonably expect, but at the same time, they've got something else again. So would you please welcome to Studio 22, as they may say themselves, Bienvenidos, Felpeyu.
Thank you.
You guys were fantastic. Unfortunately.